Got a 2014 Nissan Murano here. Customer brings it in because at high speeds we feel a wobble. We figured the transmission was the issue. You see one thing, that this transmission is very clean. There is no leak coming from this thing at all. But what we do see is that the axle, let's see if I can get over here, the driver's side axle is spitting grease out through the seal there, and it's throwing it up against the transmission there. Okay, but that's not the worst one. The worst one is this one, as it is throwing axle grease all over here by the filter, and it's throwing it up here. Right up there. Grease is running up through right there. You see the green grease there. And also on the inside, see here, we can see where it's throwing up against the side of the wall there, right there. Okay. See, you might see it better right over here. There it is. So it's throwing axle grease all over the place. And here's the axle here. You can hear it making a clicking noise. So that is not good there. It's leaking coming out of the side up through here. Okay. Now over here we got an Ultima, and here is an axle here. You see, this one doesn't make a noise when you twist it. This is tight. Okay, so this is for this other car here, but over here for the Murano, the balls are rattling in here and the grease is going. So this is where we come to the conclusion, pretty much similar to the 2007 Monte Carlo, but the Monte Carlo really was bad. Okay, so customer just wanted to see if the transmission was the one doing, and so far the transmission appeared to be okay. It ships fine, but the axle need to be changed in these things. Okay, they're leaking the grease. No grease, no lubrication, the balls will start to pit and get loose and cause issues. Alright, so here it is, the axle from that Murano. I brought it to the table. Hear that noise there? That shouldn't be.